Some people retire to slow down. Me? I fired up a 690 Enduro R and hit the back roads. Welcome to Boundless Adventures Behind Bars, where every ride tells a story. Here it's not about the fanciest gear or perfect camera angles. It's about real world riding, hands-on mods, and exploring this country 1 mile at a time. For the past 4 years, my wife and I have spent about 8 months a year traveling the USA in our Class A motorhome, splitting the rest of the time between our homes in Florida and North Carolina. And now, with the KTM 690 Enduro R along for the ride, we're ready to explore even more. I'll share what works, what breaks, and what I learn along the way. So whether you're riding or just dreaming, you're welcome here. The road's always better behind bars.